Hello, welcome to Off Grid Online. I'm your host, MJ. Today we're going to be talking about our automatic controller upgrade for a do-it-yourself hoist-powered elevator. No doubt you've seen a lot of these do-it-yourself elevators on YouTube. If you're watching this video, either you're interested in automating your existing system or you're wondering how hard it would be to implement our system to automate your elevator and make it act more like a traditional elevator rather than having to press and hold your pendant. Our current PC board version is version 7.5 as of the making of this video. Our current software version is version 7.3. We've been making these units for quite some time, and I have made a number of upgrades to each of them with each new design. Without further ado, we will start with the installation instructions. This will be a step-by-step for the safest install that you can do. We'll divide the video into sections in order that you can access each section individually, and instead of having to watch the entire thing, you can kind of jump to the spot that you're working on. The first thing obviously you're going to need before you use or implement our upgrade is to have a do-it-yourself elevator with a hoist powering it. It can also control a regular, like a dumbwaiter if you have one of those. If you need to replace the control board, it will take a little bit of rewiring, but out of the box our unit can power a standard motor with forward and reverse. It's basically a double pull, double throw switch, and with proper wiring you can implement it. And using our sensors, you can actually upgrade your dumbwaiter if you have one of those old models.